Hey. Hard to walk around here sometimes, huh? Trike line. The trike line is full, man. You ain't making no money, right?
Yeah.
It's kind of hard, right, with all these trikes here, right? Competition is heavy.
Not so many foreigners, so that's why.
Right. It's Monday night, right? We got to take a loss on Monday night. I did.
Maybe we get, for 12 hours, we got 8 rides.
You mind being on my vlog? Is it okay? So this is...
What?
Who are you?
I'm Romeo.
You're a Romeo. Hey, I know that story. It's like Shakespeare.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
Juliet.
you know your wife?
My wife's not Juliet.
No. What's her name?
Romeo.
Her name?
Monique.
Monique. But that's pretty exotic, Monique. You know? Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah. So, how long you been driving a trike, man?
17 years. 17.
17 years in that same trike?
Yeah.
Wow, look, he takes good care of his business, because yeah. Is that old? So it's pretty still. You fix it up.
Yeah.
Oh, you got to move up.
Yeah.
You got to move up, man. So, Fedora, English City, trike line. You got it going on, right? So you guys are on the same. And you got the Ferrari seat in there, right? Yeah? How long you been doing it?
How long?
How long?
Year 1990, 2019.
1990?
Yeah, 1990.
That's 32 years, man.
Yeah.
He's got you beat. He's got you beat.
I already 63 years old now.
Yeah, so you mind being on my vlog? So, in 1990, I was here.
Yeah?
Yeah, Mount Pinatubo exploded in 1991.
1991.
Yeah, I was here then.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I was stationed here in the Marine Corps.
Before the American is here.
Yeah, and then they told us get out.
People can get out.
Yeah, get out. Okay, it blows up, you get out. But no, that's a long time to run a trike. You was here before Mount Pinatubo. It's your trike service?
Yeah.
All right, man. You're doing good then, really. I mean, but on a Monday night, you're kind of laid back. Not too much work on Monday night, right? Man, thank you for your service to your country, okay?
Yeah.
Because this is a service, you know.
How are you? How about you? Which country?
USA, and I was in the Marines here.
Are you a Marine?
Yeah, back when Subic and Mount Pinatubo exploded, I was here.
Are you a Marine?
Yeah. And I was stationed in Okinawa, and they sent me here. And then Mount Pinatubo exploded, and they sent me back. You know. But anyway, I'm here now. I live here now.
You live here?
Yeah, Riot, Santa Ana.
Riot?
Yeah.
Pampanga or?
Pampanga, Santa Ana.
Mountain?
Yeah. So I'm about to go there now. I thought I'd stop and talk to you truck drivers, because you guys are the backbone of the city here. Look how many in a row. You guys work hard. I know. It's hard to do.
The taxi is not affecting us. The bad thing is we don't have a lot of foreigners here.
Yeah, but you know what? They're coming.
I wish.
Well, your laws changed on the how you get in the country because of COVID.
Yeah.
And now they don't have to do as much, so they're going to be here. So your weekends are going to get busier, and it's going to be like that through Christmas, and then next summer it's going to be all the time. Foreigners coming, because now you don't have to have a vaccine or nothing.
What we have?
Yeah, you can come here anyway.
Here, no work, no vaccine. No vaccine, no work.
I know, but they're going to let foreigners in the country now because the COVID's over.
Yeah, it's over.
It's over. So now you're going to get business. So hang in there, guys, and Do what you do. You will. I know you will. You've been around long enough. You guys have a great day. And guys, that's a trike line. Here right before you get